Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoom recordings to Dropbox. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application. Start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once the meeting has started, click on the record button. Choose to record either on your local computer or in the cloud. After the meeting ends, the recording will automatically process. Open your web browser and go to Dropbox's official website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Navigate to the folder where you want to save your Zoom recordings. Open another tab in your web browser and sign in to your Zoom account. Go to the Recordings section in your Zoom account settings. Locate the recording you wish to transfer to Dropbox. If it's a cloud recording, click on the Download button. If it's a local recording, locate the file on your computer. Once the recording file is downloaded, return to your Dropbox tab. Drag and drop the downloaded Zoom recording into the selected folder in Dropbox. Alternatively, click the Upload button in Dropbox and select the recorded file. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once the upload is finished, you'll see the file in your Dropbox folder. You can now access your Zoom recordings from any device connected to your Dropbox account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.